Alex Bratton, the Chief Geek of LexTech here, and I'm coming to you from my Apple Vision Pro Persona. And I wanted to share a little bit about what does this new combined spatial computing environment really look like. And I've got to say I'm blown away. So first off, you're looking at me there. That's actually in LexGo, our digital office. And if I cast my gaze down, I'm looking at my Mac screen. So I've actually taken the virtual shared Mac screen, and it's actually about where my physical laptop screen would be, but I stretched it a little bit when I did it. Off to the right, I've got my email. Up top, I've got a presentation I was working on. I've got some notes over here on the side. Going back the other way here, I've got some Slack, and past that, I've got Calendar and some other windows that I can't share. But just the idea of being able to bring a Mac screen in, have these other virtual windows. I've got 4 monitors here that you're not seeing, and this gets way beyond that space of what I can do. And really having these dedicated windows is going to be huge. So I cannot wait to keep using this, driving productivity and continuing to explore the best way to work. But again, spatial means bringing all of these things together from Vision Pro native experiences, iPad apps running in the Vision Pro, and my Mac itself. So I can't wait to keep working with this.